Caydo 30 pieces leather earring making kit include instructions, 5 style faux leather sheet templates and complete tools for earrings making supplies overview. Caydo full faux leather sheets for earrings meet your creativity need and save money. Leather comes in 5 materials in a variety of colors, including bright and textured colors, suitable for different occasions. Beautiful lychee surface which is common pattern of leather crafts. The back is soft in touch. Glitter leather liberally sprinkled in loads of glitter. The reflective effect be strong and bright. Printed leather includes 6 classic patterns, stylish and timeless. Metallic leather is mostly dark. It is easier to match different dress. 20 shape earring templates to help you cut the shape of the earrings easily, and these templates are reusable. A roll of copper wire as a tool for making tassel earrings. 2 size punchers, 1 mm and 3 mm, for you to choose. Come with an instructions and leather earring cut molds to help you make a variety of leather earrings or other handicrafts. And the molds are reusable and washable, which will save you a lot of time.